morning everyone. Today we are going to start our new chapter number 4, हास्य योग. हास्य योग अर्थात ह्यूमरस जोक्स, चुटकुले जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं, उसे संस्कृत में क्या कहेंगे? हास्य योग. तो यहाँ पर हमें भाषा ज्ञान को थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग करने के लिए कुछ जोक्स दिए गए हैं संस्कृत में, जिन्हें हम समझने का प्रयत्न करेंगे. तो सबसे पहला चुटकुला है, फर्स्ट जोक इज आपणिकः वदति ग्राहकं प्रति एतत् यन्त्रं क्रीणातु क्रयणयोग्यम् अस्ति. ग्राहकः वदति एतस्य का विशेषता अस्ति? आपणिकः एतत् यन्त्रं भवतः 50% कार्यभारम् अल्प करिष्यति. ग्राहकः तर्हि कृपया 2 यन्त्रे ददातु. आपणिकः अर्थात शॉपकीपर, ग्राहकं प्रति टूवर्ड्स कस्टमर और टू कस्टमर. सो शॉपकीपर सेज टू कस्टमर एतत् यंत्रं क्रीणातु, बाय दिस मशीन. क्रीणातु मीन्स बाय. एतत् यंत्रं दिस मशीन, बाय दिस मशीन. क्रयणयोग्यम् अस्ति, इट इज प्रॉपर टू बी बॉट. खरीदने लायक है. क्रयणयोग्यम, योग्यम मीन्स प्रॉपर, क्रयण मीन्स बाय का पास्ट टेंस. क्रयणयोग्यम अस्ति, इट इज प्रॉपर टू बी बॉट. ग्राहकः कस्टमर एतस्य का विशेषता अस्ति? व्हाट इज द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ दिस मशीन? विशेषता मीन्स स्पेशलिटी. सो शॉपकीपर, आपणिकः शॉपकीपर एतत् यन्त्रं भवतः 50% कार्यभारम् अल्प करिष्यति. एतत् यन्त्रं दिस मशीन भवतः डू 50% 50% कार्यभारम वर्कलोड अल्प लेजन करिष्यति डू. सो this machine will lessen your workload 50% or this machine will decrease your workload by 50%. So what customer said? ग्राहकः तर्हि कृपया, then please. तर्हि means then, कृपया means please. 2 यंत्रे ददातु, give me 2 machines. So did you get the joke? What was the joke? Shopkeeper said this machine will lessen your workload by 50%. So what did customer said? He says give me 2 machines. So he thought 50% plus 50% means 100%. So he after buying 2 machines he might not need to work. तो काम नहीं करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा सोच के उसने क्या किया? 1 की जगह 2 मशीन खरीदे. So this was our first हास्य योग. नाउ लेट अस सी सेकेंड वन. शिक्षकः छात्रस्य गृहकार्यं दृष्ट्वा. शिक्षक मीन्स टीचर, छात्रस्य ऑफ द स्टूडेंट और ऑफ द प्यूपिल. गृहकार्यं दृष्ट्वा. दृष्ट्वा मीन्स आफ्टर सीइंग और आफ्टर चेकिंग. गृहकार्यं होमवर्क. सो टीचर आफ्टर चेकिंग सम स्टूडेंट्स होमवर्क. भवतः गृहकार्ये बहवः दोषाः. देयर आर मेनी मिस्टेक्स इन योर होमवर्क. तान् अपि भवान् एकः एव करोति. एंड यू आर द ओनली वन हु डिड दिस मिस्टेक्स. छात्रः महोदयः एते सर्वे दोषाः अहम् एकम् एव न करोमि. सर, महोदय मीन्स सर. एते सर्वे दोषा, ऑल दीज मिस्टेक्स. अहम एकः एव न करोमि. आई हैव नॉट डन ऑल दिस मिस्टेक्स अलोन. गृहपाठलेखने मम पिता अपि सहायता करोति. My father also helps me in doing my homework. So when teacher scolded him for doing wrong homework, what he said, that these mistakes are not done only by me, but my father also helped me in doing this homework. So mistakes are done by my father also. Third, Gruhaswami. Gruhaswami means the owner of the house. Atithi prati, towards the guest. Bhavan agacchatu, श्वानभयं न अनुभवतु. Bhavan means you, agacchatu, welcome. Please welcome, or you are welcome. Shvanabhayam, fear. Bhaya means fear. Shvana means dog. Shvanabhayam means fear from the dog. Na anubhavatu, no, do not experience, means do not feel fear of the dog. Atithi means guest. Kim saha na dashati. Atithi asks why he does not bite. Gruhaswami, tasya danshana स्वभावः अस्ति वा न वा इति अहम अपि न जानामि. I also don't know whether his nature is to bite or not. यतः एतस्य स्वभावस्य परीक्षणम् अधुना भविष्यति. Because it will be the test of its nature now. Means हो सकता है ये कुत्ता खरीदने के बाद ओनर के घर पर कोई आया नहीं होगा, तो ओनर जब गेस्ट को बोलता है आ जाओ घर पर, तो गेस्ट पूछता है कि आपका कुत्ता काटता है क्या, तो ओनर ने क्या बोला कि मुझे भी इसका काटने का स्वभाव है कि नहीं पता नहीं है, आज आप पर ही इसका एक्सपेरिमेंट होने वाला है. देन फोर्थ वन, एकदा चोरद्वयं वित्तकोशे लुण्डनं करोति. एकदा चोरद्वय, द्वय means two, एकदा means once upon. Chor means thief. Once two thieves. Vittakosh means bank. Lunthanam, they rob. Robbery means lunthanam. Karoti. So once two thieves robbed the bank. Bahuni rupyakani prapnoti. They got many rupees. Bahuni means many, rupyakani rupees. Prapnoti got. They got many rupees. Gruham agatya vartalapam karoti. After coming home, they were talking. Prathamah chorah, first thief. Kiyat dhanam praptam tasya jnanartham dhanagananam karomi. I am counting money because I want to know how much money we have got. Kiyam dhanam praptam, how much money. Dhanam means money. Prapyam, got. Tasya jnanartha, to know how much money we have got. Dhana gananam karoti, counting of the rupees. I am doing counting of the rupees to know how much money we have got. Dvitiya chora, vyartha shrama ma karotu, don't do useless labor. श्वः वर्तमानपत्रे वार्ताम् आगमिष्यति एव, ततः गणनाज्ञानं भविष्यति. Don't do useless labor. The news will come in the newspaper tomorrow. श्वः वर्तमानपत्रे वार्ताम् आगमिष्यति. Tomorrow the news will come in the newspaper. Tata, so ganana jnanam bhavishyati, so we shall know the counting. So how much money we have robbed, we will come to know when? Tomorrow, when news will be in the newspaper. तो अगर कुछ चोरी हुआ है बैंक में से, तो दूसरे दिन अखबार में आता है ना कि इतने इतने रुपयों की चोरी। तो पहला चोर जब गिनने बैठता है पैसे तो दूसरा चोर क्या कहता है कि अभी क्यों फिजूल का काम कर रहे हो, अभी ये रख दो, कल जब पेपर में छप कर आएगा तब हम उसमें से देख लेंगे कि हमने कितने पैसे चोरी किए हैं। पंचम हास्ययोग, फिफ्थ जोक। वृद्धः शम्भुनाथः, मम पत्नी मम भोजनस्य पश्चात् एव भोजनं करोति। ओल्ड शंभुनाथ, my wife takes dinner only after I take my dinner. मम पत्नी my wife, मम भोजनस्य पश्चात् after my dinner एव भोजनं करोति. My wife takes her dinner after I eat my dinner. रमानाथः, भवान् भार्यया सह भोजनं न करोति वा? Ramanath asked, so you don't have your dinner with your wife, or you don't take your dinner with your wife? Shambhunatha, तथा किमपि नास्ति. It is not like that. मम भोजनस्य पश्चात् सा भोजनं करोति. She takes dinner after I take my dinner. तस्य कारणम् अस्ति. It has a reason. कारणं means reason. यतः आवयोः एका एव कृत्रिम दंतावलिः अस्ति. We both have only one denture. So both are old, they both don't have their own teeth, so they use denture. So Shambhunath ate his dinner with the denture, and after that his wife also takes her dinner with the same denture. That's why he said to Ramanath that once I finish my dinner, then only my wife takes her dinner. So this is our fifth Hasya Yog. Today you just have to read the chapter and write down the glossary words. Some extra words I will give you in the word format. So you have to write down that words also. And in next period we will do the translation and exercise work.